Hello, welcome you all. This is the Herald 234. So in this video, I'm just showing you a live proof of my withdrawal from the Dentacoin website. So about 3 months ago, I showed you guys how to make money using this website, and this video is just to teach you how to convert your DCN. So using DCN in this video is just a token name for Dentacoin. And as you can see, this is the transaction ID and it's yet to be confirmed so that I receive it into my wallet. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to convert it into the currency that you want. First thing you have to do is to sign up on Hit BTC because this is the trading platform we are going to use. So I recommend Hit BTC for one particular reason. The addresses supporting DCN isn't a contract address, and you can see I have withdrawn straight from the website into my Hit BTC address, and this is not the only deposit that I have made from the website, as this video is showing you the proof. So the reason I am saying I'm recommending Hit BTC is that I spoke to the Dentacoin support asking them if I could withdraw straight from the website into the Hit BTC account, and they said they are not sure unless the address isn't a contract address. And as you can see in the pictures that I am showing you, that the address isn't a contract address. So when we say a contract address, we are just trying to say that you can't withdraw your DCN straight from the website into the trading application because the token has just been added. But this time I am using the Hit BTC because it is supporting the Dentacoin as a currency itself. So let's move straight into how to withdraw this funds. Since the DCN is in my main wallet, I would have to convert it to my trading account where I can trade it for either Ethereum or trade it for USDT, because those are the two currencies which are supported on the website right now. So simply put, since I am having DCN, I will just come to sell DCN. So I will set my market price, the amount in which I would want to sell my DCN, and just sell 100% of what I am having. Depending on what you want to do, you can sell either half or quarter, depending on what you want to do. After my trade, you realize that I have USDT, which will say, let's just say US dollars for the beginners who wouldn't actually understand. So because I am now having the USDT, which can be said as US dollars, I can choose to send that thing into my Binance account, or I'll just use another currency. But don't skip this video yet because there's something else I would want to show you. Because these trading applications are in for the money, withdrawing such currencies cost a lot of money. That is why I use two other currencies, which is either the EOS or the JUV. So as you can see here, I'm showing you in this video, I will just come to the USDT portion and search for EOS, or you can search for JUV, which is the Juventus token something. You can search for these two currencies and convert that USDT which you are having into those two currencies. And the reason for doing this conversion is that if you are converting this, your withdrawal is going to be very minimal. So the transaction cost for withdrawing EOS is just 0.1 EOS, which is less than 50 cents. And for the JUV, it is free. And it's funny because these two wallets are supported also on the Binance exchange application. So I'm using EOS, of course, and I would want you to also hit the subscribe button and also like this video because that is the support which is pushing me to do more for you guys. So I've done the withdrawal from the HBTC account and it is showing here in my Binance wallet. since a lot of you have now seen how easy it is to buy or sell a currency, I wouldn't go much into it again. Just like how you did with the DCN or the Dentacoin, it's the same thing you are doing for the EOS. So I'm trading EOS against BNB, and as you can see, I am selling that EOS, which is 5.4 EOS, to BNB, and I'm doing it because I want to use the bundle application, which I can convert into my local currency, and this is for Ghanaians and also for Nigerians. So if there is an application in which you wish to receive these cryptocurrencies, you can find the link in the description, because this application supports a lot of currencies. So I come to the BNB portion, I copy my details, send it to the Binance application, because that is where I am having my amount right now. So I go there, put in my details, just easily click on confirm. I'll do my withdrawal, confirm my withdrawal, and that is it. All we have to do now is to wait for the transaction to be confirmed, and I'm going to receive it in my bundle wallet.
2,000 years later.
So I have received a notification from the bundle application, and you can find it here that my transaction is yet to be confirmed and it is pending. So it is that easy. You are going to receive this BNB into your wallet, and whatever that you want to use it for, you are going to use it. This is the confirmation, and it is showing in my local currency. I can choose to convert it to my local currency and withdraw, or I can convert it to any currency which I want and send or sell. Thank you for watching. See you later.